Science, science, science.
Hi everyone, my name is Science Luca Fun, and this science experiment
Science, science, science.
is magic fizzing volcano. I don't know what's gonna happen, let's see. Oh, this is my assistant Enzo. He's not little fun, he's actually assistant Enzo Fun. My materials are citric acid, baking soda,
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
food coloring, a beaker filled with water, and a spatula. Oh no, I forgot something. What are you doing with that? Oh no, my beaker. Don't forget my safety goggles. My hypothesis, I think it's gonna change colors to the water and it's gonna fizz up. That's what I think. First, we have to add 2 drops of red food coloring. And now we have to mix it. I'm doing another science experiment.
Science, science, science.
It's magic fizzing volcano. First, we're gonna put 2 scoops of citric acid in. It's a second power. And now we have to put 2 scoops of baking powder in. Baking powder? Now we're gonna put 2 scoops of baking soda.
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
And here's the second scoop. For step 4, we have to shake this really good. What's gonna happen next?